Once again, my name is Ssce, and today we're going to be treating the topic in math, and that will be expansion of bracketed expression. Now we have an example. Now we ask to expand this bracket. Now for you to open the bracket, this solution, you bring out the equation. Now what you're going to do is that you multiply this and this and this with this. Now you're going to use this one to open this one. Now for you to do, we have x multiplied by x, you have x squared. Bring down this sign. X multiplied by 9, we have 9x. Now with this, you see, minus 5 multiplied by x, you have minus 5x. Now minus 5 multiplied by 9, we have minus 45. Now for you to, now say x is about 2 plus 9 subtracted by 5, we have, if you have 4x, the subtraction sign, you bring down 45, and this is the final answer. Now in a situation where the equation says the equation of x, you may not need to carry out the expansion fully. Now we have the equation. For example, we have x minus 5 squared, a solution. Now having this equation like this, you bring the equation down, x. Now you put it in two places. Now for you to do it like that, we have something like x plus 5 and x 5. And now what you're going to do in this, since you're not going to carry the expansion fully, say this multiplied by this and this multiplied by this, having this, you say is 5x multiplied by minus 5, we have minus 5x, and 5 minus 5x multiplied by x, you have minus 5x, and your total answer is minus 10x, and this is the final answer. Now you're going to do this on your own, and we have a equation to be bracket x plus Ssce, and we have x minus 4. And now we have x plus 4 raised to the power 2, and number 3 we have minus 3a subtracted by 4 raised to the power 2. Once again, my name is Ssce, and I hope you found this teaching interesting. Now if you have any comments or the answers to this question, or you're confused in any way, please do so in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.